Right, just a couple of hopefully, well, relatively quick tips that you might be interested in. This is using Visual Studio Code, which I use for uh, flashing the printer sort of thing, whatever you want to call it. And I am using the auto build, Marlin firmware auto build, which is sort of a extension. Okay, and see all this text. I'll clean this out, so that cleans all the old files, which sometimes I like to do to make sure everything's cleaned out. Now watch when I build. Okay, and see it's showing all these files as it goes, as it builds. Okay, now you might want that. I haven't totally decided whether I want it or not, to be honest with you, but I did think I'd like to see all these files getting built. So I'll just let this build while I fast forward this a bit. And it opens up the folder in my case. Okay, and then I can send it to, or I can click here to open up the folder. And then in stupid Windows 11, you have to go to more options, and then I can do a send to my SD card here, firmware. Okay, I've already done that, so I don't want to do it again. But I just want to show you that compared. See over here on the right hand side, got some options. Let me take that off because I don't want to show this at startup. But I'll show you the silent build. I'll do another clean, doesn't take too long, and do build again. Ignore this. This is because I've got a bit of code in that stops it coming back with a warning about not having the diag pin in a stepper driver set and all this sort of stuff, but now it comes back with a stupid another warning about the warning of the warning. But basically now it's not really showing anything below here. See, that's it. That's all it's showing. It is still building. We can see it's building up here. Please wait. Or if you want to remove all of this text, so here I'm going to select silent build, and I do believe it's quicker, a little bit quicker building if you select that. I'm going to have auto reveal build off. I'm going to do clean to clean out everything so you can get a better idea of the speed of this. Click build, ignore those warnings in yellow there, sorry, I should say in yellow, like warnings. I think they're to do with that I've asked Marlin not to show the diag pin warning that it does, so it does a warning about that warning. So get a rough idea of the build speed. I don't know if it goes any quicker if you remove this text or not. But there we are. It's built those files. It's finished building, but it hasn't shown any text and it hasn't opened up the auto reveal window. So whether I want silent on or not, I don't know. I don't think it is much quicker, to be honest with you, if you have silent build on. Quite often I like to have it turned off because I like to see all the text coming up. Well, that's just a quick thing about that. If you want to have the silent build off. See, that's off there. Okay.